If you are an Indian woman who has traveled in Indian summer season, you know how difficult it is to stay stylish in this hot weather. If you are looking for comfortable, elegant, and affordable travel outfits to wear in Indian summers, you are in the right place because I have curated my tried and tested collection of summer outfits. So let's get started. I plan my outfits according to the travel itinerary. Day 1 and the last day we spend traveling. ये मेरी denim dress बहुत comfortable है एयरपोर्ट्स और ट्रेन जर्नीज के लिए. You can pair it with tan और beige heels to complete the look. अगर इसके साथ आप सिंपल सी बेल्ट ऐड करते हैं तो इसका ओवरऑल लुक बहुत इन्हेंस हो जाता है. सिंपल एंड येट स्टाइलिश. अगर आप हील्स में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो पेयर इट विद योर कंफर्टेबल स्नीकर्स. Next travel outfit is this beige crop top and linen pants, again very comfortable and elegant for long train and flight journeys. The green pants are from Max Fashion and the crop top is super lightweight and stretchable fabric, perfect for Indian summers. My next favorite travel outfit is this super cute A-line knee-length dress again from Max Fashion. एज यू कैन सी इसमें ट्रॉपिकल प्रिंट्स बने हुए हैं तो ना सिर्फ आप इसे इंडियन वेदर में बल्कि आप कभी अब्रॉड जाते हैं किसी बीच डेस्टिनेशन में तो वहाँ भी आप इसे ईजिली और कंफर्टेबली वेयर कर सकते हैं. आई वेयर दिस फॉर लॉन्ग साइट सीइंग डेज एंड मेनी आवर्स बिकॉज इट्स लूज ब्रीदेबल एंड डजंट स्टिक टू योर बॉडी. My next most favorite travel outfit is this short kurti and palazzo. This one is perfect for train travel in India because you can sit comfortably for long hours. Recently मैंने इसे अपनी पुष्कर ट्रिप में पहना था and I was easily able to walk and roam around in this outfit. हमें समर्स में टाइट फिटिंग क्लोथ्स जैसे कि डेनिम जीन्स टोटली अवॉइड करने चाहिए. But this cotton off-white palazzo is very versatile. You can pair it with any crop top or short kurtis. My next travel outfit is this bohemian style mix and match quad set. पिंक प्लाजो मैंने परचेज किया था पुष्कर के स्ट्रीट मार्केट में और अगर आप राजस्थान गए हैं तो आपको पता है कि वहाँ के स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स में कितने कलरफुल आउटफिट्स मिलते हैं. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द लुक विद अ सिंपल क्रॉप टॉप एंड अ नेट वाइट बीच कवर अप. माई नेक्स्ट फेवरेट ट्रैवल लुक is this beautiful V-neck cotton kurti and straight fit cotton pants both from Myntra. These off-white pants complement the pink kurti and you can complete the look with a pair of matching flats. This can also be worn in office or college as your everyday casual wear. Trust me, a white shirt in your wardrobe is evergreen and never goes out of style. I got this white shirt from Pantaloons और मैंने इसे पेयर अप किया है टैंक टॉप और डिस्ट्रेस जीन्स के साथ. If you want to wear jeans in summers, I suggest you go for these loose fit distress jeans from Myntra. I used to wear this shirt while traveling in Doha. It also used to protect me from getting suntanned. The next piece is this super elegant lavender one-piece bodycon dress which I bought from Pantaloons. I wore this dress a lot when I was in Doha. It's very decent looking dress and you can wear it anywhere while exploring the city or dinner nights. You can complete the look with matching heels, sneakers or flats, whatever you like. I have kept the look minimal with just a pendant, a pearl bracelet and a wristwatch. This outfit is ideal if you are going on a jungle safari or trekking. Despite being a full sleeve crop top, it doesn't stick to your body and doesn't make you uncomfortable in the peak summer weather. The cotton cargo pants fit me so nicely without losing the shape of the body. I'm very satisfied with their quality. I have also made a video on summer suit sets for traveling in Indian summers. You can watch that on my channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for more such interesting outfit and travel videos.